Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to the complete zero to hero course in software world. Like we are on the week one, that is intro to JavaScript. Today we are going to complete the left out syllabus. What previously we studied, if we recap, just take a recap. What we studied in the previous video, there was like what is actually programming language, why do we need to learn the programming language, and how the flow of the programming language will be, and like who invented the JavaScript and all this basic stuff. We discussed all those things, and today we'll try to understand why we need to learn the JavaScript only. Because why the only reason why I picked the JavaScript, and what is the role of JavaScript in the web development, and what are the text editors that we'll be using to do our development process. We'll try to deal with all this today, and we'll try to understand, get a good knowledge of JavaScript, what is actually JavaScript, why to learn all this. So without any delay, let's get started. And if you just check here, now JavaScript hype, nothing but like most used programming language in the world completely is the JavaScript, because JavaScript takes 65% of the complete world. Like most of the developers love to use the JavaScript. One thing, that is the only thing I want to say. This is the other one. And if you check the React market, that is taking 54% of the React jobs currently, like 3,54,000 of jobs are being occupied by the React. So React is also built up by the JavaScript. So if you learn the JavaScript, then you can do front-end development, back-end development, you can do mobile application development. And it is really useful for anywhere. Like it is used for the DOM manipulation, and it is compatible with the many browsers, and you can use literally anywhere. In simple word, in one word, if I can say, it is like a legend Kamal Hassan. Like it fits all the roles. Like as he fits to every role, it will be fitting to each and every sector of the development. You can take any sector, it will be fitting over there. Like JavaScript is really awesome in simple word. And what the text status that we are going to use for the development, for writing an initial piece of code is, will let's take 1 minute. I prefer mostly the programmers because it is really simple and intuitive, and we can easily write the code in this, and it's awesome. And the other preference that I prefer is that, like I have other preference as well, that is inspect directly coding in the Google console. Like we can do the coding here, and this is also another one. The another one is using a VS Code. VS Code is literally the most used text editor by the developers, I can say. You can just download this. I will attach one Visual Studio download link in the description. You can download from there, and also you can also attach one video how to set up this Studio Code in your system. Then you can easily do that. You can just download from here, and that's it. And I think you got a good knowledge of JavaScript. Why actually we are learning the JavaScript? Because it's not a simple language. Like it is really compatible to with anything. Like you can take front end development. You can use React over there. With the React, you can develop single page applications. So React is also having a very good market. In the back end development, you can use Node.js. In the Node.js, again the JavaScript is being used. So literally, JavaScript takes all the place. Like it can be in the front end, back end, mobile development, everywhere. So the only uh, thing I want to convey is that just pay attention while listening to the JavaScript lessons. Like really, it will be really useful for you, because if you know the JavaScript, like you will be really useful in the job market. That's it. And just try to stick with the lessons, and you will get a really good knowledge. I can guarantee that. I will be giving all the good knowledge, that is what I have learned from this journey. I will be sharing all those things, and also I will be sharing the interview questions that are really required, and I will be sharing, like I will be really preparing you for the complete. You will be ready to enter into the software world completely. For nothing, you just watch this video. That's it. I hope you all got a good knowledge today, and let's end up this video. And also there is a developer tools, so if it is really required, I will let you know in the VS Code itself, and we'll close